Building embedded Android products requires both powerful hardware and a development platform designed specifically for embedded systems. That's where Kynetics and Toradex come together, combining the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 with the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit. The hardware foundation of the platform is the Toradex SMARC i.MX95, a high-performance system on module based on NXP's i.MX95 processor. It combines Cortex-A 55 cores, an integrated AI accelerator, and advanced graphics capabilities to power demanding edge applications. The platform also provides rich connectivity, including Gigabit Ethernet, PCIe Gen 3, and support for industrial interfaces such as CAN bus and serial communication, along with support for multiple displays and cameras, making it well-suited for industrial and intelligent edge systems. And Kynetics enhances this platform with its Embedded Android Developer Toolkit, tailored for the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 development kit. The toolkit combines three core components: a development-ready embedded Android operating system, an embedded SDK that extends the standard Android SDK with direct access to hardware interfaces from familiar Android IDEs, and Update Factory for over-the-air updates, device management, rollout control, and remote deployment automation. The Android operating system included in the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit is a fully featured, development-ready platform tuned specifically for the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 module and development board. Unlike generic demo images, it is engineered for real development, with a tailored launcher and integrated user space. From bootloader to kernel to application layer, it delivers a stable and consistent foundation, allowing developers to focus less on system bring-up and more on creating innovative solutions. In addition, the operating system includes built-in testing applications for key buses and protocols, enabling immediate validation of hardware interfaces right after installation. Alongside the embedded Android operating system, we have the Embedded Android SDK. It unlocks the full hardware potential of the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 platform. It goes beyond the standard Android SDK by giving you direct access to interfaces like GPIO, I2C, SPI, PWM, RS-232, RS-485, and CAN bus right from your Android applications. With ready-made sample applications and testing tools, you can start interacting with the board peripherals immediately, combining intuitive Android development with precise control of embedded hardware. To complete the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit includes over-the-air updates and device management capabilities for the SMARC i.MX95 platform. We have Update Factory that allows you to monitor device health, troubleshoot issues, and deploy everything from single apps to full system images with just a few clicks. This ensures that deployments in the field remain consistent, reliable, and always up to date. Together, the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 and the Kynetics Embedded Android Developer Toolkit help developers accelerate embedded Android development, simplify hardware integration, and move faster from prototype to product. Contact us for more information on our available embedded Android products for your evaluation or development purposes.